Well, this video I have some stuff from Rhino USA. You can probably see a little bit right there. It's for recovery, you know, like if you're going out in the woods or whatever and you get stuck or somebody else is stuck. I figure since I lifted the truck and it's more capable off-road now, I need this kind of stuff. So let's get the camera down and get into it. Okay, we got 4 items. Let's see if I can flip that over and show you. That's the hitch pin. There's a 2-inch shackle hitch receiver with a D-ring. And here's some soft shackles. And right there is a 1-inch by 30-foot Kinetic recovery rope. That is awesome. So let me get these boxes open and the packages open and get into it. All right, there's some information about the company if you want to know. Rhino USA kind of makes you believe, or leads you to believe, that the products are made in the USA, but they are not. That's kind of unfortunate. They should be if they're going to have USA in their name, right? I mean, it is what it is, I guess. They do seem to be some pretty good products. I've seen a lot of good reviews on them. All right, first up, I guess I'll show this receiver pin, hitch pin, whatever you want to call it. Got a little cover. You just slide it up to fit the key in. Comes with 2 keys. And then you just hold this. It comes apart. The only thing I don't like about it is you can't put it back together without turning the key. So if this is through your receiver and you got to put this on there, you can hold this and put this on, right? But then I guess you got to let go of that side, hold this side, so or because it's round, it'll turn, to turn the key back to lock it back on. I don't know. That might be a pain. We'll find out, I guess. I mean, unless you got 3 hands, right? But they come with some cool stickers, cool sticker pack. In fact, I don't even know what all stickers is in here, so let's take a look. All right, there's the stickers. One there, one here. That's pretty cool. Figured you'd want to see them. Okay, the shackle comes with this. And you got to register the warranty, which is kind of weird because 3 of these, I think, or maybe even all of them, said you got to register the product for the warranty. But all you do is do it one time. You give them your email, and that's it. They don't ask for what product or anything. So I guess doing it once is enough. I don't know. One thing I do want to point out is it says right here, to register it, you either scan that barcode or text Rhino to that number, or you can go to their website and do it. I went to their website because I tried both, scanning that code and texting that number, and it didn't seem to work. It didn't do anything. So I did it on their website, and like I said, it don't ask you what product you're registering the warranty for. It don't ask you how many products, if you have different products. Hopefully it registered. I don't know. We'll see if it ever breaks, right? It's supposed to have a lifetime warranty. But anyway, here's instructions. And if you need to see that any longer, just pause the video. But really, if you need to see instructions on how to use this, you probably shouldn't be using this. All right, let's get it out. Get that out of the way. It's pretty heavy. I don't know if that's solid. It kind of looks like that's a solid piece. Yeah, I think it is. You can see in there. Maybe you can anyway. I think this is solid steel. That's pretty cool. It came with some rubber bushings there to keep rattle noise down on this stuff. Next up, we have the soft shackles. And if you don't know what that is, that's to keep from scratching your bumper or whatever. You just put it through the tow hook that I don't have yet. And then you just run the end over this big knot. I'm going to cut that off. And then you have your, down here where you hook your rope to. Pretty cool. You can just hook it, right? And then it just comes back off. You already know how to use soft straps, right? Anyway, came with 2 of them. Now these are the, let's see if it says, 1/2 inch soft shackle. Check out that workload. They claim to be pretty strong, don't they? We'll see. Set that to the side. Now let's get into the rope. Okay, before we get to the rope, I forgot to mention the soft shackles came with a bag. That's pretty cool. If they'll fit in here. It's kind of small bag for both shackles to fit, but I don't know, we'll see. That's pretty neat. Now, I have heard people saying that these somehow or another come loose or something. Or maybe they was talking about the pin in the D-ring coming loose. I don't leave that receiver in my hitch when I'm not using it, because if you leave them in there forever, they do rust in where you can't get them out. Because I spent a lot of time trying to help a friend get one of his out. But anyway, and you don't have to worry about people stealing them if it's not in there, right? So there that is. So check this out. The rope also came in a bag. Pretty sturdy bag too. That's awesome. So let's get into it. All right, that's all in the bag. That's a pretty sturdy bag. Hopefully them soft shackles will fit in there too. Here's the rope. There's the tag on it. Check out it. And this feels like it's a Velcro strap around it to hold it. That's pretty cool. Did you see it? There's a couple on here, so probably one on each end. I mean, rope is beefy. That's awesome. I love it. I did apply to be an affiliate for them, and I was approved. So if I can figure out how to get the link so you can go to their website and get this stuff, I'll put that in the description. And I may even put my Amazon affiliate link in the description. I think you can find all this. Well, I know you can. That's where I got it, on Amazon. So I'll even put those links down there too. You can get it from either one. That's your choice. It doesn't matter. We'd like to get a couple to order through them. Hope you liked it. That's all I got for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.